Ever wondered who's out there jamming to your Spotify playlist? Trust me, you're not the only one. We all want to know if our music taste is getting the recognition it deserves, right? Alright, let's get straight to the point. Unfortunately, no. You can't see exactly who's saved or liked your playlist. Spotify protects its users' listening habits. If you could see who liked or saved your playlist, things might get awkward, right? While that might be disappointing, it's Spotify's way of keeping things safe and private for everyone, encouraging more people to explore and interact with playlists without feeling watched. Now, even though you can't see who's saving your playlist, there's still some good news. Spotify gives you access to other data that's pretty insightful. The most important metric in here is the saves you have received on your Spotify playlist. After all, the number is key to understanding what works. While you can't see who saved your playlist, the data Spotify does offer can still help you understand your audience and improve your playlists. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more tips, and keep creating those playlists.